Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode, we'll see how to set up extras and fees in your price list. We need to go to Financial and Price List and click on Default Price List. As we did already, we need to click on Add a new item. We will concentrate on fee and extra. So let's start with fee. A fee in Geek Divers can be anything from a marine park fee or a certification fee or a local tax. So you type the name that is most appropriate for your price list. For example, certification fee. You can add an abbreviation if you want to, and a description. You need to type a price, for example, 80 euros, and if appropriate, you can type VAT and if it's included or calculated on top. For fees, there's no possibility to add packages, so the only option that you have is to save. Now let's do something similar with an extra. So add a new item, and we choose a type extra. A type extra is something that you charge on top of the regular price. If your regular open water course includes 4 shore dives and you want to offer an upgrade to 4 boat dives, you can use the type extra. Another example could be a private dive master for underwater photographers or videographers. In this case, we will call it extra because it's a one-to-one dive guide. So let's see an example. I type a description here and I type a price. For example, 20 euros. There is no possibility to add packages for extras. So the only option that you have is to click on Save button. And you will be redirected to your price list. Thank you for watching.